Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to completely uninstall or remove the AVG Secure Browser in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to proceed at the button search bar, and here, please type for Control Panel. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best matched and wait until this option called Open to appear. So once it's here, click on Open so that you would be navigated to this window which is called Control Panel. Here we need to change our Windows view into large icons. So by that, please proceed with View By and set it into large icons. Once you're done, you need to locate for programs and features. So I can see it here aligning at the first row next to mail. So click on it the moment you have find it. So here you would be able to see all the installed programs or the programs that you have downloaded and installed in your Windows or computer. Here you need to identify for AVG Secure Browser. So it might be placed at the very first since it's in letter A. So since the initial of that specific program is letter A, I'm sure it will be placed here. So in my case, I don't have that AVG Secure Browser. I'm not installing that. But in your case, if you do, and if you'd want to remove that or if you'd want to uninstall that completely, then all you need to do is you need to select on it. The moment it will be highlighted into blue one, meaning it is being selected, you need to click on uninstall. Again, in my case, I'm just showing you an example. This is an Acer Jumpstart, and this is not the AVG Secure Browser itself, but in your case, you have to select the real AVG Secure Browser. Once you have do that, it will mark blue here, meaning it is being selected. Proceed with clicking on uninstall. Once you're done, it will show here uninstall this program. All you need to do is you need to click on yes, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes as well, just proceed with yes so that you would be able to continue on the uninstallation or onto the removal of this particular application or program. Once you're done, just have to wait until the procedure would be finished. Just follow the command there and it will be removed permanently in your Windows PC or laptop. So it might take some time, maybe 1 minute or less than that, but just have to put a lot of patience with it and I'm sure it will be removed. Okay. Once you're done, you can never see your AVG Secure Browser here aligning the programs and features. You can now close the window and you're good to go. By the way, you can also press Windows and R key together. Press Windows and R key together and type for appwiz.cpl. Type for appwiz.cpl. Then the moment you click on OK, you would be able to easily be redirected to the programs and features. So by here, you can uninstall your AVG Secure Browser. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.